Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in this key fob. This is out of a 2010 Subaru Outback. Kind of two different styles for this fob. One has a screw here and one doesn't. If yours doesn't, there's a little notch here where you can use to pry the two halves apart. I've also included a video right here that will demonstrate how to do it. First and foremost, you are going to need a 1620 battery. You can get these off Amazon. I've put a link below in the description. For this one, I'm going to be using a a Phillips head screwdriver. This is a 3.0. And I am going to be also using a flat tip screwdriver. So let's dig into it. First thing you want to do is remove this Phillips screw. Again, I'm using a 3.0. Seems to be the right fit. And then once that's out, you can just use your fingernails to pry the two halves apart. And you want to be careful, there's some little lips right here that I'll show you when we put it back together. You just want to make sure you aren't too aggressive with it. So go ahead and use your flat tip and pull out this little piece. And essentially what you want to do here is just slightly pry up all four of these. And one left. There we go. Alright, so there's your battery. Just take your screwdriver right here, pull the dead battery out. Your new 1620 battery is going to go positive side facing down. And this just clips back in nice and easy. Like so. Line that up. Okay, not as easy as I thought it was going to be, but there we go. Alright, then that seats nicely in here. And when you put this back together, you want to make sure that you get around this little lip right here. It's kind of hard to see, but just start with the back first. You can see I didn't do that right. So come in kind of at this angle so it looks like that when you close it. Alright, and that's all you need to do. Put your screw back in, you're all set. No need to reprogram. Hope that video was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.